Hi, I'm Raja. Welcome to a new video. By the end of that lesson, you will be able to know and use the correct adjective order. Well, in this picture we have a toddler, someone who is learning or has recently learned to walk, to toddle, okay? And let's describe him, the toddler. He is a cute, blue-eyed toddler. Second picture we have car, of course, it is big and black. Okay, and the third one, it's a dog. It is horrible and big. Okay, and the aim of that lesson is to know why did we choose cute before blue-eyed and big before black. Good, bad, lovely, strange, nice, beautiful, brilliant, excellent, awful, wonderful, important, nasty are adjectives, of course. And these adjectives have a general opinion. We can use these adjectives to describe almost any noun. Like he is a good person, also I can say that's a dreadful story. These are general opinion. We have also specific opinion. Delicious, uncomfortable, clever. Okay, some adjectives give a specific opinion. We only use this adjective to describe particular kind of nouns. Okay, like a friendly person. Okay, here we usually put a general opinion in front of a specific opinion. For example, a lovely, intelligent animal. So the general, then we move to specific, and then the noun. Nice, tasty soup. Nice, general, tasty, and soup. Nasty, uncomfortable armchair. So nasty means very bad or very unpleasant. Nasty, very bad, uncomfortable armchair. General, we move to specific, and then the noun. We usually put an opinion adjective in front of a descriptive adjective. Here is it. So here it is, opinion adjective, nice, and then more specific, the descriptive adjective that describes the dress, the color, okay? It's the red color. And a silly old man, again, it's general move opinion adjective to descriptive adjective. This horrible, it's opinion adjective. And then yellow curtains. Yellow, it's the descriptive. Appear, to be, to become, to feel, to grow are verbs, of course. And these verbs, we call them linking verbs. It's a verb that connects the subject with an adjective or noun that describes or identifies the subject. Okay? Here, for these linking verbs, we use them first, and then we use the subject, then the verb, link verb, and then the adjective. The adjective comes after. Okay, after these adjectives we have different type of adjectives, some adjectives that finish with ed. So adjectives after link verbs. Well, we say our teacher was ill, but we don't say we had an ill teacher. Why? Because was is a link verb. My uncle was very glad when he heard the news. When he heard the news, he was a very glad uncle. Now, because we have to use very glad before the link verb. The policeman seemed to be very annoyed. Okay, we can't say, and we don't say, he seemed to be a very annoyed policeman. Okay, yeah, sometimes we have two adjectives, as we just seen, like a big black car, but other times we have three adjectives in front of the noun. But this is unusual. This is very unusual and uncommon to have more than three adjectives. But like this one, a nice, handsome young man. Here we have general adjective. We move to more specific, to the age, young, and man. Another example, a big black American car, again, size, color, and the origin. In general, we have a certain rule that you have to know. We have already started saying that general first, specific. After specific, we have the size, more specific again, small, big, and we have the shape, and we have age, color, nationality, and material. Let's do an exercise to understand more. Let's describe this bag in one sentence, okay? In one description. We have to say a lovely, attractive, large, rectangular, old-fashioned, brown, Italian, leather bag, okay? Without any comma, without any and, we only have to write the adjectives, specific adjectives for the bag to describe it. Let's do more exercises to understand. Well, this is the dress, of course, the cute long dress, black. So this is dress, this is the noun. The cute, which one should we choose? We have cute here, general. Do we say long black or black long? Yeah, long black. So this is the correct one. Second, this is Shinya Yamanaka, researcher. He's a researcher and a physicist. We choose origin. First is the opinion, clever. We move to slim, Japanese researcher. Okay, here it's the origin or the nationality. So this is the correct one. Yeah, we have a sport car. Yeah, it's Ferrari. So my old, it's about age. Then we move to yellow, the color, and then we have Ferrari, the origin. Yeah, perfect. We have here box. We have to choose brown, tiny cardboard. This is not possible. Brown tiny is not possible because tiny should start first, but origin now. It means that we have to choose tiny, origin, the size, brown, the color, and then we move to the origin, and this is the correct one, of course, box. We choose between a black new black car, noun. We have to say a new black car, yeah, new black car, an interesting old book, a delicious French food, and a silly old cat, a big red American, a beautiful red shoes. Yeah, talking about opinion, a tall Japanese. Yeah, because tall is size, and then we move to Japanese. A Japanese tall. No, it's a tall Japanese. A chocolate. Okay. Chocolate delicious round. No, it's a delicious round chocolate. So remember that we have to say adjective plus noun. Okay. Three things to remember from today is we come from general. We start with general to specific. Okay, we have to say adjective plus noun. Always adjective comes before the noun, but for link verbs, okay, it's number one, this is number two, but for link verbs they come before, okay, and the adjective comes after. There are of course some exceptions that we'll talk about it in other videos. Okay, another exercise. Andrea had a, and we have this is a bow. Andrea had a, and you have to choose a nice, of course, because this is the opinion. Nice yellow bow. She lost a, of course, cat should be here. It's incorrect. Small is the one which is correct. Number two, I bought oranges. Great. Some, of course, and some great big oranges. We met, of course, is two very smart people at the conference. It is or is a question. Is it getting cold outside? The cookies that you baked is the verb. Smell is a link verb. Link verb. Delicious. Baked, smell delicious. The course you are taking sounds again is the link verb. Sounds interesting. My uncle wore a, this is a tie, it is blue silk tie. The last ones. Have you met the cute new boy? Origin, let's say opinion. The clown was wearing a big green and yellow hat. It's in the blue, it's not possible, blue large metal, blue metal large, we have to say large blue metal container. This is a new Italian wonderful, no, wonderful Italian new, no, the correct one is, this is a wonderful new Italian. The last one, pass me the plastic, no, because it's not a material, we don't start with the material. Big blue plastic or big plastic blue, yeah, big blue plastic, because material comes at the end, and size, color and material. Blue, big blue plastic. This is the lesson of today. Thank you for your attention and enjoy learning English.